Welcome to today's lesson. You will need your composition book for notes and a pen or a pencil. Please gather those materials now. Alright, so today we're going to talk about word problem equations, and that's taking a word problem and writing it in equation form. Let me give you an example. Suppose that it costs a flat fee of $50 a summer to go to the swimming pool. In addition, it costs $2 per visit each time you swim. How would you write this as an equation where x would be the total number of times you swim? No, x would be the number of times you swim and y would be your total cost. Well, let's take this apart and look at it. First of all, is there a flat fee to go swimming? Yes, it's $50. How much does it cost each time you swim? $2. Hit pause. Copy this down. Alright, so let's put this together. It's going to cost me $50 plus $2 every time I swim, where x is the time I swim. It's an equation, so I'm going to put it as what my cost is equal to. So my equation would be y equals 50 plus 2x. So what I did is the $50 flat fee plus $2 each visit. $50 flat fee plus $2 each visit. And now this is a linear equation. Sometimes you'll see this as y. Sometimes you'll see it as a function where it's f of x. Either way, it's the same thing. So what does this give us? It gives us a starting point so I can determine how much it's going to cost no matter how many times I swim. For example, how much is it going to cost me if I go swimming one day? Well, I would plug in 1 for x. So that would be $50 plus 2 times 1, which would be 52. How much is it going to cost me to swim for 2 days? So that I would do 50 plus 2 times 2, which would be 54 days, $54. How much for 4 days? $58. How much for 10 days? $70. All right, go ahead and hit pause and copy the rest of that down. Okay, let's try one with you. A membership to a club costs $99 plus $41 per month. Write an equation where x is the months and y is the total cost. Go ahead and hit pause, write this down, and you write your own equation. We'll see if it matches mine. Okay, so my equation, my flat fee is $99, and it's $41 per month. So my equation is 99 plus 41x. Is that what you got? Excellent. So now let's take this and figure out what it's going to be for a certain amount of months. How much is it going to cost me if I go to the club 1 month? What do? You plug 1 in for x, and then you add 99. $140. How much for 6 months? $345. Hit pause and find out how much for 1 year. So, how did I get 591 from 1 year? Do I plug in 1 for x? No. What do I plug in for x? 12. Because it's dealing with months, months, months. This has to say a month. What if it was 0 months? What if I didn't go to the would it cost me anything if I had a membership but never went? Yeah, it cost me $99. Okay, so go ahead and go to the next slide on the Nearpod.